Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I reached in the bucket of locks from Bobby Keyz, and I got one of Bobby's own challenge locks from the 16th. I think it's an American Mortis. It is a 5-pin lock. Here's the bidding on the key. Good challenge lock bidding. So let me grab my vise. We will try to pick this thing. Okay, make sure the key works. Perfect. Alright. Now, I'm definitely going to use the 50 thousandths Peterson pry bar, chop the keyway, and I think for this I'm going to use the medium hook and 23 thousandths from the Praxis kit. Let me zoom in on the lock and we will get to picking it. Alright. Now, okay, like always, I'm going to start in the back and find a binder. I think it feels like number 1. Okay, got number 1. Number 2 gave us a little false set. Wow, number 3. Oh, well, we got our false set. I'm not sure. Okay. So, oh, okay, I tapped 4 and got an even deeper false set. It's pretty deep. Let's see. Oh, number 5's talking to me. Let's see here. Huh? Fell off of him. Okay. Well, I'm in a really deep false set now. Search for some feedback. Not really getting any feedback. I think pin 1 might have fallen. No, I don't think so. Let's see. Okay, now we're in a really deep false set again. And, okay, that was 4. Okay, let's see. Number 1 fell. Okay, well, shit, lost my tension wrench. Okay, start over. Let's see here. Number 1. Yeah, I got a good click on it. Number 3 put us into another false set. Okay, lost the false set. Ah. Okay, let me tap the vise a little bit. It's kind of flopping around. Alright. That was one. Back in a false set. Lost it. Lost my tension wrench again. Okay, set number one. Got a small false set out of two. A little bit deeper false set on four. Okay, a little deeper on three again. Let's see here. Okay, that was 5, 4, 3. Okay, let's see here. There's one. Now we're back in that deep false set. Let's see here. Well, that time I didn't lose the false set, so thank God. Being clumsy today. And and we're open on 4. About lost the tension wrench there too. Let me zoom out here and take this thing out of the vise, and it is open. Okay, now let me get rid of the vise and get my pen tray. Alright, now let's see. I do have the key, so I am gonna lock it back up. Okay, and let's see, I need a Phillips. Got one here. Bobby Keyz sure does make some great challenge logs. He loaded me full in that last package he gave me, so I had to get one today at least. Well, thought that was coming out. Alright, put that to the side. Okay, now let's see, where's the key? Okay, I'm gonna turn it this direction. Actually, I'm just gonna turn it that way. And my Keydex follower, which is my favorite. Alright, now all 5 pins are in and working, and I can already see some magic in there. Let's see. 1 is a serrated T-pin key pin. 2 is a standard. 3 is a serrated. 4 is a serrated, and 5 is a kind of a serrated spool. And we'll look at the plug here in just a second after I get the upstairs taken care of. Okay, let's see here. Pin 1 is, I think it's a pin-in pin. Well, at least the top of it. Let's see. Yeah, no? Okay. It had a wafer over okay. So it was in there like that. So I guess, okay, the wafer was on top, and that's how that was oriented. That's a killer pin. Okay, number 2 is kind of like a wedding or a Christmas tree type, and we got a brass spring. And number 3 is another serrated type spoolish and a small steel spring. 4, okay, 4 was barely over the shear line, and it was a T-pin with a very small copper spring. And number 5 is a serrated spool. Let's see about that. There's a spring. And it's another brass spring. Alright, let's take a close look at these. Actually, I'll just bring them up to the camera. Alright. Well, okay, I'm gonna have to do it a different way. Let's see here. I got some stuff mixed up here. Okay. Now, let me just try to focus in on that. Alright. Like I said, number 1 had a wafer with this little guy on top. Come on, baby, focus. That little guy, serrated, definitely a odd pin. And then number 2 is this serrated step down, maybe I don't know what you would call it, maybe a wedding cake. Number 3 is a deep spool with the serration in it. 4 is a T-pin. And 5 is a serrated spool with a step down in it. And the key pins, we've got number 1 was a serrated T-pin key pin. 2 is standard. 3 is a nice double spool serrated. 4 is another serrated type spool. And number 5 is a serrated. Well, let's look at the core. Yeah, we got threading in 1, 3, and 5. And don't think there's undercutting on the others. No, that's 1, 3, and 5. And in the Bible, we have no modifications. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. So if you like what you've seen here today, just give me a like, and subscribe, and comment if you wish. Everybody be safe, keep on picking.